GoPro HERO8 Black Bundle. Includes HERO8 Black camera, rechargeable battery, 2 totals, protective housing, and carry. The redesigned shape is more pocket-friendly, and fold-down fingers at the base allow for quick attachment changes. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is twice as impact-resistant. Smoothing is even smoother. HERO8 Black now supports 3 levels of stabilization: on, high, and gain, so you can choose the best option for any task. Get the widest view possible or zoom into the smoothest video ever offered on a Hero camera. In addition, HyperSmooth works of all resolutions and frame rates and supports in-app horizon leveling. Shoot ultra-stabilized time-lapse videos while you're in action. And now TimeWarp automatically adjusts the speed based on motion, scene detection and lighting. You can even slow down the effect to real time while enjoying the fun moments, then tap to speed it up again. Protective case protects your HERO8 Black camera from dirt, dust, and debris during extreme activities and is water resistant to 60 meters.